Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I've got this massive Bluetooth speaker from Temu, so big it barely even fits in the frame, but it says party proof speaker, which doesn't really make sense, but it's made by a company called Year, and it says it's 80 watts. It's got the bass up technology, TWS, which means you can link multiple of these together. I reckon it's got 18 hours of battery life, and it's got a light. It shows people partying around it. Yeah, it says all the same stuff again. Charge your devices, so it's also a power bank. So yeah, let's get into it. So you can see it in the top. The packaging is actually quite good. Normally the Temu stuff, the packaging is not the greatest. Let's take this bit of foam out. And there's some cables. What cable does it? Oh, it's actually Type C. That is actually good. Normally this sort of stuff uses micro USB, so that's nice to see. It's got a handle. It's got this protective bit over the front. Oh, it's got a little subwoofer bit on the side and on the back. This actually looks like quite nice quality. Oh, my power bank's just died powering my light. And yeah, you can see the two speakers on the front. I mean, I'd hope this would be good quality, because obviously I did win it for free, but it was meant to be 60 quid. On the side it's got Type C charging. It's got a mic port, it's got the on and off switch, it's got an aux port, it's got a USB and an SD card reader. But let's try and turn this on. Hoping it has charge.
Bluetooth mode.
That's quite loud. So I'll have to do one of the non-copyright songs, but that's fine. So pair new device, let's see what it comes up as. It's not iBox Dust, because that's my alarm clock. Okay, I'm going to assume it's BB02. Pair. Yes, it is. So I have to do a non-copyright song. It don't even sound that bad. What? It's got a good subwoofer. How far up is that? That's halfway up. So yeah, that is very loud. So I have the speaker here again, and what I'm going to do is play it as loud as I can and see how well you can hear it throughout the whole house. Bear in mind, when you're downstairs, the washing machine is on. And this will also be a good test on how good the Bluetooth range is. So I've got some non-copyright music. We're going to turn that all the way up. And let's have a look.
What we do here is go back.
So I'm in the kitchen now with the washing machine on, and you can still really hear it. And we keep walking. In the back room, you can hear it. Not as much, but that's mainly because of the washing machine. If the washing machine wasn't on, you'd be able to hear it perfectly clear. And obviously, right, so I'm in the back room here, right? So if we go up there, my room is basically above there, like where the door is. And obviously you can hear it perfectly upstairs. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys come back for another one. Bye.